It comes with a PDF. It's $30, but there's a
February 12th?
yeah, and we're going to record it too. So if you can't make the workshop, you can always get the recording with the PDF. But we've been in business for 8 years. I've been a consultant for over 13 years. And so what I'm doing is teaching business owners how to utilize certain services that we have on your own. Like, so we're releasing like a series of DIY products. So that's what that one is. Yeah, so audits are super important. A lot of business owners don't understand how to utilize data in their business. It's very overwhelming. You don't know where to get it from. You don't know what's relevant to you. So it's literally a PDF that takes you step by step, a basic and yet in-depth, right, audit of how to see how your business is performing both on the front end to your customer facing side and on your back end.
Focus on like a smaller business, like a startup?
So either way, so the principles just apply. A lot of the clients that we get have been in business for a few years, but they skip those foundational components. So some people who've been operating for a long time, usually if you hit a ceiling and you don't know how to get past that ceiling, you're almost in the same place as a startup. So it can really translate on both ends of the spectrum, the knowledge that we'll go over. So absolutely. Nice to meet you too.